Ever wondered what tuberculosis really is and how to stay safe from it? In the next few seconds, you'll learn about its symptoms, prevention, and treatment. Tuberculosis, or TB, is a serious infectious disease. It primarily affects the lungs. Common symptoms include a persistent cough, chest pain, and fever. You might also experience night sweats and weight loss. But here's the good news. TB is preventable and treatable. Preventing TB involves good hygiene and a strong immune system. Vaccination is also key. If diagnosed, TB is treated with antibiotics over several months. Remember, early detection can save lives. So stay informed and proactive. Like what you see? Subscribe for more healthy living tips from Jazzy Health.